Good morning. Hi, dear. Good morning. How are you? I'm good. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. What's your name? My name is Sarah. What's your name? My name is Anna. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Anna, where are you from? I'm from India. What about you? I'm from UK. Where do you live? I live in London. And you? I live in Bangalore. How old are you? I am 23 years old. You? I am 21 years old. Okay, good. What do you do? I'm an artist. What about you? I'm a student. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have an older sister. Okay, fine. What about you? I have two brothers. Great. Do you like to travel? Yes, I love traveling. What is your favorite food? I love pizza. What's yours? I really like biryani. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a cat. Do you? No, I don't have any pets. What do you like to do in your free time? I like to draw and watch movies. Can you speak any other languages? Yes, I can speak Japanese and English. What about you? I can talk French and a little bit of Spanish. Oh, that's good. It was really nice talking to you, Anna. Yes, it was great chatting with you too, Sarah. Have a wonderful day. Thank you, and you too. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you.